Here you can see the first 6 rows of the flooring going in, and right off the bat you can see that this flooring is going to be absolutely beautiful when this room is done. It's very rich in the color that you see here, and it's just a really nice deep color that's going to really stand out when this room is complete. Now you'll notice that there's one strip left of the felt paper that you can see there, and that is because once we get to that point we want to put the second layer of felt paper down. This is just another view of the flooring going down, and you can see the contrast between the flooring on the outside of the room and the flooring on the inside of the room, but it's going quite well and it's still looking pretty sharp, as you can see here. Again, more of the same with a close-up view of how the flooring looks against the floor and the walls, and just continuing on that work until we get the next strip of felt paper down, as you'll see here in a little bit. This is just a neat, humorous photo of me taking a little bit of a break with all my tools sitting there. You can see the shop vac, of course, that we always have to use. You've got some scrap pieces of hardwood flooring there that we use to kind of pound some of these into place. You see the flooring actually sitting there next to my left foot, the compressor, and then the nailer, the hardwood flooring nailer with a large hammer there, what we use to put these into place. So a variety of tools all over the place. You can see some stuff on the back window ledge there that we use, and you know, at the end of the day, it's just a construction site at this point where you have tools all over the place, and then as we get closer to the end, you start cleaning those tools up and making it a very nice area as we get closer to the end of the project. Again, here's an overall view of the workspace area. You can see there I've taken my shoes off because it's time to relax as it's dark out, and we're going to save this one for another day here. You can tell we've already got the fan rolling too at the top there because of the blurriness of the blade, so that fan is in motion and just cooling the room down as we need to. And then here we have one more final view of work being stopped for the day. My boots are sitting there. I'm getting ready to probably get some refreshments, I guess, and close this part of the project out. But that's where we stand right now at this part of the project, and we're going to also close this series out and move on to the next part of the project in the next series. So until next time, ladies and gentlemen, peace out.